Hello friend, today we are seeing left join. So what is left join? Left join means first table we are joining two tables, and first table consider as a left table and second table consider as a right table. And if we are using left join, then it will be given all data from the left table and only matching data to left tables from the right table. Like means all data from left table and matching data from right table only. So that is called left join. Okay. So see our table first. So this is our table employee where id and name column is having, and we are considering it is our left table. And second table is a department table where id, department and salary will be present, and we are considering this is as a right table. So uh, from right table only the matching data record will be coming, and from left table like this all the data will be coming. So let's check how it will be work. So we have to use select star from emp left join DEPT. Okay, so here EMP is our left table, and department is our right table because we are using EMP first and department after the join condition. Okay, then we have to use join condition on EMP dot ID equals to DEPT dot ID. We are using on condition on a common column from both table. Okay, so ID column is a common from both table, that's why we are using ID column. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so you can see here ID name from the left table and ID name, department and salary from the right table. Okay, you can see here left table all four entries 1 2 3 4, all four data will be present. Hence we can say that left join gives all data from left table. And you can see here in right table id, department and name, there only the matching record, like id2 will match to the id2 and id1 match to the id1. Only the match record it will be showing, like once. And where the data will be non-match, like id for 3 and 4, it will be given the null values. So this way left join work, like all data from left table and only matching record from the right table it will be given, and where the record will not match, where it will be showing the null value. So this way left table left join works. Thank you.